Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Student, in maths today we are going to start our new topic patterns. Patterns is totally depend on drawing and something mentally calculation like aptitude. Now, have you seen this picture? Wow, these all are a so beautiful butterfly. Have you seen here? Yeah, blue one, red one, green one, yellow one. All are very beautiful butterflies. Students, one day, I'm telling a story, listen very carefully. One day, Tina went into, this is a Tina, this is Tina, these all are butterfly. One day Tina went into the garden with her magnifying glasses. This is magnifying glasses. Have you seen this one? She saw bees and butterflies flying all around. Where? Into the garden. Into the garden. When she looked, when she looked closer, guess what she noticed? Have you observed any butterfly? Have you noticed anything? Here Tina noticed some of those butterfly had two half. Two half means if we divide anything in two parts, that means two halves. And they looked exactly the same. Yes. If you divide your just take here example. See this one butterfly. If I divide it into two part here like this, two part, then this one and this one is looking same. Yes, these are looking same. If we divide it into here, 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 then these all are looking same. These all are looking same. She would have got a two symmetry halves. Okay. Then what is symmetry? Student, symmetry, drawing any line through the figure we get two equal half. Two equal half. Recently I show you and a butterfly, if we divide here like this, then it should see here. Here is green leaf, here is also green. Here is, see the pattern this one. See the pattern this one. That means symmetrical figures. What is a symmetrical figures? Symmetrical figure when we can be drawn to divide them into two equal parts. Any figure. Two equal parts mean two equal halves. Just like the reflection of each half in a mirror are called symmetrical figure. Symmetrical figure. You will take any page. Don't take any rough notebook and just fold in a center. Then what you will see? Just like a symmetry, half that side, half that side. When you fold it, any colored page, plain colored page. Okay, same. If you take here, there's one butterfly. If we divide it into two half equal, we divide not line. You can draw a line. You can divide with the line. Then just like the reflection of each half in a mirror. Mirror means you are just looking the same. That is called symmetrical figure. See here. What is this? Star. What is this? Star. How many? See the stars. I have drawn a line here. That one. That means, have you observed? This one and this one, two parts are there. These one are equal. Yes. Are they equal? Yes. They both are equal. Now see this one triangle. See this one triangle. If we draw one line in a center, then two parts. Then see the two parts. Is it equal? Yes. These are equal. See this one. That is Moon. If we divide, we draw here in center line, that is equal, no. If we draw here, that side part is not here. That is not symmetrical figure. You see this one? This one is zigzag line. If we draw here line, the symmetrical, this is symmetrical figure? No. This is not a symmetrical figure. Symmetrical figure means whenever we have two parts, you divide, you draw the line, then other parts, same, both parts looking same. Both parts are looked same. Both parts will look same. Both parts will look same, like here. Now this is our exercise 11.1. Our question is the dividing line a line of symmetry? Yes or no? Look at the images below and write the answer in the box. What is this? This is oval. Where they have draw line here. Is it equal? No. Then is it symmetrical figure? Yes, it is symmetrical figure, but if we draw line here, so that means this is wrong. We have to write here no. They asking, is the divided line of symmetry? Symmetry we have to do an equal half. We have to divide into two equal half. Yes or no? Look at the maze below now here. This is a rectangle. They draw line here. Now tell me, is it equal? Yes, it is equal. That means this is symmetrical line. Then we have to write here yes. The next one, see here. Upside zigzag line is here. Look like a clown here. Downside a box. Is it symmetry? No. If you may see the images line, the backside then is it symmetry? No. Symmetry means whenever you draw any line that to divide into two parts equally, then look same. Both parts look same. It's look same? No. See, this one is star, four stars. This one four corners star. I have draw line here. Is it symmetrical line? Yes. This is symmetry line. This is symmetry line. That means B also yes and D also yes. Now next question is, draw a line of symmetry. Draw a line of symmetry for the images given below. Can it be drawn for each of them? Yes or no? Write the answer in the box. It means they asking, draw a line of symmetry for the images given below. For the images given below. Is it possible to draw here any symmetry line? You have to see the object first, see the figure first, then tell is it possible or not. See here, this one triangle. If we draw here line inside like this, if we draw line here like this here, if we draw line here, that means this is yes. We draw here symmetry line also. Let's see that. They have enough. How many corners are there? 4. But if we draw here line, not possible. If we draw in a center, not possible. Mirror image. That means you have to write no. You have to write no. Why? They are asking, draw a line of symmetry for the images given below. Can it be drawn to each of them? क्या draw किया जा सकता है? No. See here, this one square, this one square. If we draw here in center, yes. Is it possible? Yes. We draw here symmetry line. Possibility is there. If we here draw line, yes. It means here we have a many options. If we draw in a center, then also symmetry figure. If we draw here, then also symmetry. If we here, then also symmetry. That means yes. What is this? This is circle. This is circle. And circle also is a symmetry figure. We have to draw anyway, just like in this here. In center, we draw in a half. Then this is also yes. We have to put here yes. Draw a line in symmetry. And this is yes. I repeat, what is symmetry figure? figure through which a line can be drawn to divide them into equal half, student, just like the reflection of each half in a mirror, are called symmetrical figure. In this question, they have given figure, and just you have to observe, is it possible to draw any symmetry line, then give answer yes or no. In this draw line of symmetry, you have to draw line here. They already drawn, but just you have to tell them yes or no. Here they have given figure, you have to draw symmetry line here. Now students, exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. You have to draw yourself this one. It's a very interesting exercise. Just a drawing book. Observe one half. In this exercise, you can do one thing. Observe one half of an images. They have given images, and complete it by the drawing the second half in the same way. See here students, what is this? I think this is a butterfly. Look like a butterfly. You have to just, they have given a one box, you have to draw same figure. Try to do same figure. Draw same figure and color also. Interesting? Yes, it is very interesting exercise. But imagine, just imagine mirror figure. You have to draw just like this, here like this, you drawing like this, and then one. This is also. See the next one. Draw the other half of the figure images so that they are symmetrical. Color the images. Draw the other half of the images so that they are symmetrical. Color the images. See here. It is look like a tree. Then you have to draw like this. This one. You have to draw same. Just like a mirror image. Same. If they have draw here this slanting line, you have to also line draw. See here, they have a, what is this? Rhombus figure, then you have to draw like this. Same figure. And this look like a pot, then you have to draw like this. And this is a box with plus sign, and then you have to box, then you have to draw like this. Okay, you have to draw same image opposite. Here same image you have to draw here. Here same image you have to draw here. Okay, I hope you all are getting my point. Symmetry figure, that means when we draw, when we divide into two equal half any object, then it's called symmetry figure. Equal, same. It's look like a same mirror image. Fine. Tomorrow we will do our exercise 11.3. You will be ready for that. I hope you will complete your work on time, and these exercises you have to do in your book only. Bye. Tomorrow we will meet with our new exercise 11.3.